Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Tim from 40 Tech, and today we're going to be diving into the world of external microphones for the GoPro Hero cameras. So whether you're a vlogger, an action sports enthusiast, or just someone who wants to improve their audio quality, this video is for you. So we are going to be focusing on ways to connect a microphone to the GoPro Hero camera. Alright, so there are essentially two ways of connecting an external mic to the GoPro Hero cameras, and that is with the official GoPro Media Mod that I have here, or using a third-party cage, for example the one that we have here, and the GoPro mic adapter. So let's first of all look at the Media Mod. So the Media Mod is a separate purchase, and as well as acting as a form of mini cage for the camera, it has three ports on the side. Let me just show you the ones that I have here. So one is for charging, one is a charging port, it's a USB-C. So obviously that can charge the camera while it's inside the Media Mod. Then we have a mini HDMI port. So that's for connecting to an external monitor. But most important of all for our purpose is that we have a 3.5mm microphone port. So therefore we can connect an external microphone to the GoPro via the Media Mod as long as the mic has a 3.5mm jack. Therefore, as an example, we could use a wireless mic, for example, and we could attach it to the cold shoe mount on the top of the Media Mod. For example, it could be the popular DJI mic, but it also could be the even more popular Rode Wireless Go, or if you're not feeling that rich, then maybe, for example, what I have here is the Sync G2. But the process is the same regardless of which microphone you use. Now, rather than using a wireless mic, you may also want to consider a lavalier mic just to get the mic closer to the body like I have here. And that's just a case of plugging it into the 3.5mm socket. But when an external mic is plugged in, then it's going to disable the microphone on the Media Mod. Now, one thing to be aware of is that if the volume of the microphone is too low, then there is actually an option to increase the gain. If you swipe down and swipe to where it has preferences, and then scroll down until you see mods, inside that menu is the Media Mod option. Now it's going to default to the standard mic, which for the vast majority is non-powered mics. Now if you click on that option, there is an option to increase the gain by 20 decibels if the audio is a little bit too quiet. Now you also find there is an option for a powered mic, and that also has an options for that one too, for example, to increase that by 20 decibels. Alright, let's now talk about the next option for connecting a microphone to the GoPro, and that is to use a third-party cage like this one from Ulanzi. And this is just a cheap sort of plastic cage. So if you pop in the GoPro into the cage, and let's just close the door, for example, then what you need to do is you have this little shelf underneath. So you need to get the official mic adapter from GoPro, and use the official one rather than any third-party one because they are rather poor quality and unreliable. Now once you've got the adapter, you can just simply plug it into the socket on the GoPro, which is via the USB-C connection, and then you're pretty much good to go. Of course, once you've done that, you can just simply pop on the wireless mic onto the top of the cage and you're pretty much good to go. Okay, that's all from me today in this video. So I told you about a couple of ways how to connect an external mic to the GoPro Hero camera. Now as always guys, all I ask in return if you found this video useful is just hit that like button, and also of course hit the subscribe button. Other than that, take care and I shall see you soon.